Alright, so I'm Sophia, and I will be reviewing the Razer Basilisk Hyperspeed for my friend Nephy, who I adore greatly. I don't have it quite yet, but this gives me time to do some research, you know? So stay tuned. Anyway, so what I like about wireless mice is that there's less cords, and I have an issue with cord management. I try my best, but I just have so many cords, and I'm like, you know. It should be arriving soon, hopefully, because I don't have any more to say. Here. Alright, here it is. Box. Alright, here she is. Oh, whoops. Here she is. Our Basilisk Hyperspeed. Oh, shit. So we have the thing that no one reads. Oh, it is really light. Here she is. Let's see. I have to open this part, I'm pretty sure. There we go. Okay. And this, I believe, is the dongle. It's very green. Yeah, there it is. It's green. Gorgeous. And then you put the battery in here. Where's the battery? Okay, it came with a battery, by the way. I used a AA. It's a AA battery. It's a little heavier, probably because of the battery, so that's good. So I bet you're wondering how big the mouse is. Oh, is that? I bet you're wondering how big the mouse is. And here is one comparison. You can see that the mouse is about 4/9 the size of a hammer, as we can see here. It's also about half the size of a Coke bottle, so I'm sure those measurements help you out.